mystery's taken away. It makes it a lot more fun, you know. So like when you go to the next chord, E minor. So I went. So that was my little thing that I played. So that's a note in that chord too, you know. And all these, the next chord, G. So those were triplets. 1 triplet, 2 triplet, 3. So I was just walking the scale up to that G. Because I got to target the notes that are in the chord that they're playing, you know what I mean? So kind of that's basically kind of what you do when you solo. But anyway, I want to stop there. What kind of questions do you guys have right now? I know that was kind of a weird way to kind of get people excited about music, but what do you guys think right now? What are you guys thinking?
More music.
Yeah,
more music.
Yeah.
Let's try to play.
Is there more
Stairway to Heaven? Can we play Stairway to Heaven?
Do you want to play?
Is there
more musicians? More people want to jump in?
You want to play?
Can you hand out the rattles and stuff?
I don't know what else it does. That's cool, man.
Let's try
Stairway to Heaven. Wanna try that?
Sure.
Or something like that. You guys like Stairway to Heaven?
Yeah.
All right. You know most of it too. You might leave the solo out. Right?
We'd like to hear you.
I'll try to sing it.
You can get up on the bass.
All right. Here we go. Ready?
Ask him.
What's that?
How will it look on the string?
Oh, on that when it gets. Oh, okay, that's right.
Like the ones that take solo.
Oh, yeah. Well, we can skip over all the words anyway. All right. Here we go. So I want to hear you more though. So